This will be a modern day made Dirt Devil Breeze vacuum cleaner. I don't think I'll be keeping this machine because it is made not in well condition. It's really not that sturdy, and the plastic is really cheap. These things don't last long. But I just want to show you guys. I thought this would be a good vacuum, but apparently it's not. Look at that, the brush roll is already starting to get worn out. So I am going to vacuum with this and show you guys how it works. I'm going to set the camcorder down. Now I'm going to plug it into the bathroom plug because this outlet here sucks. There we go. That is much better. And without further ado, here we go. You can hear that pretty cheap plastic. And that will be all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.